Okay, so doing a little walk around tour here, my '04 Mazda 6 wagon after doing some rather significant modifications here. We'll just take a quick run around the outside. One of the first that I'll show you as we go around is I added Mazdaspeed 6 folding mirrors. So the standard 6 doesn't have breakaway mirror, fold-away mirrors like these. It has just a sacrificial hardware. So I never thought that was very great, so I decided to see how to do that. So we got that all figured out. Required changing some harness clips and a couple other odds and ends. I still need to paint out the mirrors to a body color keyed fashion, but I've got some temporary black ones on there right now and they look pretty alright. The next big mod, which is the one I'm really here to show you, is this is an '04 wagon. It's critical, and I got the full interior Mazdaspeed 6 package with the door handles. This door handles and full auto windows. So let's do a quick test here. Look, Ma, no hands. And back up again. It also has the vent feature, which is pretty neat. This also gets you the Bose decal in the back. I also put in the diamond plate metal sill plates. I think that's what they call them. I was really interested in these grab handles. The little cups that you put your fingers into that were on the factory ones didn't really interest me. I thought they were kind of cheap looking. We also got the piano black and of course the switch hardware. We'll do a quick look inside here. We also did the Mazdaspeed 6 dash. One of the only telltales left here is our stick shift and the seats, which I probably won't go into doing, but you can see over here we got Mazdaspeed 6 panels there, and again, just for fun, look, Ma, no hands. Alright, so there we got that. We also have the Speed 6 pedals. That turned out to be a little tricky as well. The only way to get the gas pedal is to actually replace the entire gas pedal potentiometer, and you also, for the dead pedal over there on the left, you still need to remove the under the carpet. There's a plastic dead pedal support, and that has to be also swapped out from a Mazdaspeed 6. So lots of things that are pretty unique to the Speed 6 that you have to change if you want them in your regular 6. There was a ton of wiring to get these windows to get that done right, more so than there's another member on the Mazda 6 forum that did the full auto window package. However, he was doing it in a '06 or later Mazda 6, which is a little bit more simple because the actual wiring is set up to do that, at least to a certain extent. I actually had to run new grounds to the rear doors, change how the power got supplied to the front master switch over here, a couple other odds and ends, but yeah, it was really complicated, as was the radio. But I'm really happy with how it all turned out. It just really dresses up the interior of my rather old, in the context of most people keeping cars, rather old Mazda 6 from 2004. So yeah, pretty happy with how it all turned out. And just for fun, we'll demonstrate the anti-pinch, which is pretty neat. So it comes up here, detects that your arm's in there, drops it right back down. We'll do that again, just because I don't think I got my arm in there. Yeah, there we go. It goes down to about 1/3 open. The other feature that's pretty neat that comes on these full auto windows is there is a vent feature. I can't get my hand in here to do it at the same time, but if you just touch down once, it opens the window just about that far. Let's see, that's what, I don't know, 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch. Pretty neat feature. I kind of like it just to get a little vent in there, and then if you hold it and press all the way down, you get the full auto. Some of the other things that required changing out to get all the Speed 6 here is our little dash trim pieces. Those go all the way across. There's one here as well, one over here. The other thing here is those little silver trim rings around there are different. So those got changed out. And also, our door handles are different on the regular 6, or at least the 04 anyhow. These are chrome, as are these parts. So those got changed out. One last thing, the pedals. The clutch and the brake actually are larger sized metal pedals than the Speed 6 covers that go on there. So that required a little bit of Dremel work. Careful Dremel work, I might add, to get that done. But yeah. So I think that's a pretty good tour of the car. Hope you all like it. And this is Wahoo from the Mazda 6 forums, signing off.